everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Very delicious and tasty keema palak recipe or spinach keema. And this keema is lamb keema and it's very tasty and very delicious. Today I will show you how to make a delicious palak keema. And let's get started. The ingredients I'm going to use: ground lamb. This is a 1 pound and it's a 454 gram and it's a 16 ounce. 1 big bowl of spinach washed and cut into small pieces. 1 tomato, 1 red onion, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic. 1 green chili, strictly optional if you want to add red chili or black pepper. Cumin, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, 1 teaspoon each, and olive oil for tadka. And let's start making our delicious palak keema, lamb palak keema. Start burner and get a karahi. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil, or you can use any vegetable oil. As the oil starts to heat up, we're going to add cumin seed. Give like 10 seconds. This is good. Now we're going to add ginger and garlic and mix it. Cook until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Cook for 20 seconds. Now we're going to add onion. Mix it. Keep it moving and keep cooking until onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add green chili. Mix it. Cook green chili along with tadka for 1 minute. Another minute of cooking green chili along with tadka. Now we're going to add tomatoes. Mix it well. Bring your gas on medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 3 minutes. It's exactly 3 minutes cooking on a medium gas. I'll open it. Mix it. If you see, the tomatoes are tender. You can mash it or you can leave it as is. Now we're going to add spices. Salt, cumin, coriander, turmeric powder, garam masala. Mix it well and cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices for 1 minute. Now add ground lamb keema, and break it and keep mixing and keep breaking like this. Keep your gas on medium. Cook on a medium gas. Bring your gas on a high and cook it well. If there is any lump, just keep breaking it like this. Now on high gas, cook for 5 minutes and keep it moving. Initially we cooked 5 minutes on medium gas, now we are cooking on high gas. This is high flame. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Another 5 minutes cooking on high flame. Altogether, ground lamb cooking for 10 minutes. 5 minutes on medium flame and 5 minutes on high flame. Now we're going to add spinach, palak. We're going to mix it well and we're going to keep cooking. We wash the pollock, the spinach. It's going to release some water. On high flame, keep it moving and keep cooking. After adding pollock, we cook for 3 minutes, and if we notice that we try to move, there is some water. We're going to make sure it cooks well and it dries up. Once it dries up and it starts to ooze out the oil, our keema is all ready. After adding pollock, the spinach, we cook it for 10 minutes. And if you notice that no more water, oil starts to ooze out and it's fully cooked. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and we're going to dish out. Very delicious Palak Keema. Let me share with you. You've seen it. It was so easy to make and it's super tasty, super delicious, and this is a good combination with the Palak. Palak Keema, or we can call it Spinach Keema. Please try and comment below how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.